Hi. You know what's crazy? Some people think trauma just disappears when you grow up. Pero here's the truth. It doesn't. Kasi nag-shift pa siya. Nagtatago siya sa loob ng personality ninyo nang hindi ninyo namamalayan. That's why yung iba nagiging overthinkers. Hindi dahil gusto nila yon, but because they used to get blamed to the things na hindi naman nila ginawa. Now, they analyze more. Yung iba nagiging people pleasers. They tend to say yes to everything. Yung pagsasay no meant rejection na din. Meron ding emotionally detached. Kagaya ko. They look cold, distant. Deep down naman talaga, nasasaktan lang talaga sila. Kaya sila nagkakaganyan. Parang nagiging bato lang talaga sila. And the worst part, society labels them as dramatic, or too much, or toxic. Pero no one says na yan pala yung mga taong may trauma. So if you know someone like this, please don't judge them right away. Please educate yourself na meron talagang mga nag-i-exist na ganitong tao. Learn how trauma shapes behavior, because hindi naman namin ginusto or hindi naman ginusto ng mga may trauma na nagka-trauma sila. And it's also not their job para lahat ng tao sabihan nila na, uy, ganito niyo ako pakitunguhan dahil may trauma ako. It's not their job. It's also how we treat others. So, treat the person right, kahit hindi mo siya kilala. Huwag mong basta-basta i-judge yung tao dahil lang hindi mo nagustuhan yung unang pagkikita, because deep inside, baka trauma na din yung taong kaharap mo. Mukha lang talaga siyang masungit or toxic or para sa iba too much. Sana i-educate yung sarili niyo and be open-minded about it.